time, the world was filled with stories waiting to be told. And just like a key that unlocks a treasure chest, becoming a storyteller allows you to open that chest and share those stories to the world. But how do you become a master storyteller? Let me share with you some tips that I've learned from Vinh Giang's video. Just like a musician must understand their audience before they play a song, as a storyteller, you must understand who your audience is. What are their interests, their fears, their hopes? Once you know this, you can craft a story that resonates with them. Let's say you're like me who does helpful videos and you want to inspire your audience to take action. First, understand who your audience is. Are they entrepreneurs, college students, or parents? Tailor your story to their interests. Authenticity is key to connecting with your audience. Don't try to be someone else or tell a story that isn't true to you. Speak from the heart and be genuine, and your audience will be able to relate to you. Now, how do you do this? Try sharing a personal story about a struggle you faced in your life and how you were able to overcome it. This will create a connection with your audience. Like me, for instance, one of the things that made it difficult for me to become a good storyteller is that I don't read a lot of books or I don't go out as much. So the way that I was able to solve that is I took a subscription for audiobooks and I listened to them regularly while driving. That way I am learning new stuff that I can share with everyone. Emotion is the fuel that drives a story. Use it to your advantage. Make your audience feel what you feel and they will be drawn to your story. Whether it's joy, sadness, fear, or hope, use emotion to create a connection with your audience. You can talk about the fear you felt when you were facing your struggle or the hope that kept you going or someone else close to you. This is what will make your story relatable and more inspiring. Practice, practice, practice. Like any skill, storytelling takes practice. The more you do it, the better that you become. Practice telling stories to friends, families, or even strangers. Seek feedback and use it to improve your craft. By the way, what can you say about these tips? Write it down in the comment section below and let me know. See what I did there? This will help you improve your storytelling skills. Vulnerability is what makes a story real. It's what makes us human. Don't be afraid to share your vulnerabilities with your audience. It allows them to see themselves into your story and creates a deeper connection between the two of you. Don't be afraid to share the challenges that you've faced on your journey. This will make your story authentic and relatable and inspire your audience to take action. Becoming a storyteller takes time and practice, but with these 5 tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of storytelling. For more storytelling tips and mastering the art of storytelling, check out this video right here. And don't forget to click that subscribe button somewhere there so we can all learn, create, and share. Peace out.